And today, the single best way to transport your solo stove. Here we go. Hey guys, this is Mark with the Art of Rving, and you're not. Thank you for coming. If you are a subscriber, thank you. And if you're not a sub, hit that sub button. I don't know, somewhere around here. But today, the absolute best way to transport your solo stove that I came up with, the transporter. You may have seen the other video, people want it a little shorter. So here we go. So important things have cases, you know, like George's wallet has a place for all this stuff. Comments below. Brain has a skull. Your solo stove should have a place to put it. It's so important. And behind the camera, before I forget, my son, Parker Bailey. Hey man.
Hey.
There he is.
The one and only.
No beard.
No beard, I'm all naked.
He's all naked. Okay guys, so I did another transporter. It's called the transporter. If you want to see that one, it's more technical. I had people comment, look man, don't bore us, get with the course. And so here it is. So this is what I've come up with. I've found a 17-pound feed and seed bucket. I got this at the Tractor Supply. Yeah, Tractor Supply. And my son is so smart that it fits down in here, but he was telling me that the lid, who fits get in there on it, it spins around and it has these little bitty places right here, but I thought those were to keep it from coming up, but it's to stop it. And this snaps too. This goes in the back of your truck, man, and it is going nowhere and totally protected and weatherproof. And on top of that, okay, this fits on top of your solo stove if you don't want to put it in there to protect it. So I really like that aspect, and also to keep prying eyes off of it. You know when you leave the campground? Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so here's the process. Here's my Solo Stove Ranger. Fits perfectly inside the bucket. There's only one issue. When you push it down in there, you can't get it out because it sticks to the bottom. It's a little more narrow at the bottom. Very difficult to get out of there. So I thought about that a little bit more. Oh my. And I came up with an awesome, simple solution. Of course, simple ideas come from complex minds. I found this oil drain bucket at the dollar store. Guess how much it was? How much was it, Parker?
$1.
$1. And check it out. Look, get a close up on this. Look at this, how it fits in here. I mean, perfect. Then I put my solo stove in there. It doesn't go to the bottom and it comes straight out. But wait, there's more. So in the bottom here, I put my fire gloves, I put my headlamp, and I have storage in the bottom. Like this, I get my lid, I put it on, spin it around. Parker, you're so smart. And lo and behold, look what I have, a transporter. I can carry this around anywhere. I love this thing. I've used it, put it in the back of the truck. Beautiful thing, man. So go to Tractor Supply. Get yourself a 17-pound feed and seed bucket. Put your solo stove in there with your oil pan change. And you'll be on your way to protecting something important. All right, man. Leave the comments. Tell me what you think.